Hi guys, I'm Keenan Kruner from Austin here, and today we're gonna do a reaction video. This video is really funny, so let's watch it. Oh my gosh, is that Obama? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! See this? This is Obama. Did you see this, guys? That's, oh my gosh, the mouse fall off. Did you see this, guys? This is Obama. That. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That video is really funny. And that video has Barack Obama in it. That video is so funny. Alright, so here's the reaction video that we're watching. So, goodbye guys, and have a great day, and have a St. Patrick's Day.